This is the Hello World Podcast.
How long has VB Consulting been existing, Coach? And how many
Um,
people do you have?
I started in 2017, pero that time halos ako lang lahat eh. I just thought there
Mm-mm.
should be a name, an entity name, because when I was
Mm-mm.
featured on Forbes in 2017, that was May 2017, tapos July 2017, dalawa siyang magkasunod. Ang
Mm-mm.
daming opportunities. And I didn't
Mm-mm.
even know na meron palang ganung market. So I
Mm-mm.
grabbed that opportunity and, build VB Consulting. At that time, ako lang
Mm-mm.
talaga yon.
Mm-mm.
But and at that time, I was also doing freelancing. So alam mo
Okay.
yun, nag-hustle, di ba? Yung age nyo,
Mm-mm.
hustle din. Meron kang
Mm-mm.
full-time, pero meron ka ring parang passion project mo. On
Correct.
the side,
Correct.
I was building my own. But meron talaga akong full-time na freelancing. Kasi yung full-time ko, this will assure my family of financial security. Kasi hindi mo
Mm-hmm.
pwedeng i-give up yung mag-passion ka na lang, may 5 akong anak. Di ba?
Correct.
Hindi siya realistic. It can sound
Mm-mm.
good, can sound attractive, pero in real life, hindi ganon. So, meron akong
Mm-mm.
full-time, nag-hustle ako sa LinkedIn.
Mm-mm.
And then, ako pa lang nun. And then 2018, I think na-share ko din to sa LinkedIn. Kasi nag-six-figure ako noon every month. Nag-six-figure ako
Mm-mm.
noon, which at first feeling ko, possible kaya yun? And then
Mm-mm.
ilang years lang ako nag-freelancing, I got that. Pero
Mm-mm.
2 years later, I lost it. So imagine mo kung yung ako may family, of course, you want to provide for the family, tapos
Yes.
mawawala yung major source of income.
Mm-mm.
Yun nga ang kwento ko noon is I was given 3 days or 3 months.
I read
Sabi
that.
niya,
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
3 days, 3 months because that's in my contract, yung
Mm-mm.
notice.
Mm-mm.
Pero
Mm-mm.
I was given an option to resign in 3 days. So nagsip
Mm-mm.
ako Friday, 3 days, Saturday, Sunday. Monday,
Mm-mm.
wala na akong trabaho. Ang galing. Sabi mo nga, hindi, napaisip ako. Pero I think it's a good thing because for so long, at that time, nakaano pa ako, if you're familiar with freelancing, yung tracker, are you
Mm-hmm.
familiar with time tracker? May monitor ka, may screenshot yon, as may time tracker ka pa. Feeling ko I really didn't like that. Pero I maintained the job because number one, I enjoy what I'm doing. It's writing and
Correct.
editing. And it gives security to my family. But given a
Mm-mm.
choice, I won't do it.
Mm-mm.
So nung binigyan na ako ng termination letter na yon, hindi ko rin sinabi sa husband ko, sabi, na nag-resign ako in 3 days. Hindi ko
Wow.
sinabi I was given a choice to stay for 3 months.
Mm-mm.
But if you
Mm-mm.
think about it, 3 months
But
is
that was
already
3
enough.
months without pay. Tama ba? Or with pay
So
pa
with
rin?
pay, with
Okay.
pay.
Okay.
So imagine 3 months with pay, that's good enough for me to find another one. Diba? Good
Mm-mm.
enough yun. Mas secure ko na yung family ko and then good enough. Pero feeling ko, I could no longer last 3 months because
Mm-mm.
in reality, my heart is already elsewhere. And
Mm-mm.
it's hard. It's hard. So sabi ko, maybe this is what I have been waiting for all this time.
Mm-mm. And what I'm getting from that is money. It's an affirmation of my belief that money is really not the sole basis of everybody else's decision. So to our listeners, no, if
Totoo.
you are at the crossroads, no, pinagpalit ni Coach V, no, yung kanyang 3 months with pay, but her heart is no longer there. Take a look at that. What your decisions will really ultimately boil down to either principles or what you value most. And I think,
Mm.
Coach, parang related pa rin dun sa 3 habits mo yan. Kasi you believed in yourself that even if you resign after 3 days, you can find a way, maybe,
Yeah.
not being employed. No?
And that is primarily because I know the power of LinkedIn at that time. I knew
Mm-hmm.
that if I lost this, there will be someone who would be happy to take me either as a freelancer or I can build my own.
Mm-hmm.
Because when you're on LinkedIn and you get opportunities, it opens yourself to the reality na hindi lang tayo maghihintay ng opportunity. we can create opportunities ourselves. And
Mhm.
so I said, okay, I'm ready to move on. I just replied to his email, I'm ready to move on. Pero at the back of my mind, paano ba move on? But yun na, that was 2018. That forced me to really take VB consulting seriously. And I'm getting a lot. And timing yon, when I resigned, when I left there, parang 1 week later, somebody contacted me on LinkedIn, and that Australian was looking for someone to hire to do LinkedIn for him. Dito yon sa may Clark. Sakto nga siya,
Okay.
sabi ko, sakto siya.
Lapit.
I think, God has a way of testing you at the beginning. And if you make the right choice, you get your reward. Parang ganon. So yun, I got that opportunity. And then sineryoso ko na, from there, I started building VB Consulting. Nung February lang din, ako super nag-focus in managing the team.
This February, this year.
This February lang talaga
okay.
kami. And pandemic talaga, ngayong pandemic talagang nag-grow kami more than 10 times compared last year. So when I'm looking at our MRR last year, kasi I had a surgery for 2 months, hindi ako nag-work noon. So inalis ko lahat ng contract ko. Yun nakita ko, if I'm working and if I can't work, I can't earn money. So parang wala rin. So I think I have to hire people so that it can run without me even for a day or two. So doon lang ako nag-start mag-build ng team. And ngayon, ano na kami? 9 or 10 na kami ngayon.
Hi everyone, this is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Trainer of LJMB, or Learning Just Made Better. Thanks for watching my video. To get more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this video to others.